Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be sharing a recipe of tandoori gobi which you can make on gas stove and also in oven. So without wasting time, let's check out the recipe. Boil some water in a kadai. Once the water starts to bubble up, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it nicely. And then add cauliflower florets. Now blanch this for 1 to 2 minutes and not more than this. After 2 minutes, remove and transfer it to a bowl. You can see here now our cauliflower florets are not completely cooked. Now in a pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of besan or gram flour and roast it nicely. Once it is roasted well, transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool down. Now take a mixing bowl and add 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste, 4 to 5 petals of mint leaves, roasted besan, about 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 pinch of cinnamon powder, javitri powder and green cardamom powder, about half teaspoon of salt. Heat 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Once it cools down, you may add it. Now mix everything nicely. And then add 1 by 1 cauliflower florets and coat it well with the masala. Now place some of the cauliflower florets one by one on a baking sheet to bake in oven. Bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Here I have soaked some skewer in water for 30 minutes before using. Now arrange the cauliflower florets in a skewer one by one. On the gas and place the skewer on gas and fry on medium to high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep brushing some ghee or butter in between. As you can see here now, our tandoori gobi is ready to be savored. Now let's take out the gobi from the oven. You can see here now our gobi is well baked. Do try both the recipes and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you really enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.